Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add USDT TRC20 to Trust Wallet. So first, you have to open your Trust Wallet and make sure that you're logged into your account. Right here in the home page, you have to look for the Manage Crypto. Click this one, and this time you have to look for USDT. Tap on USDT. Now what you're going to do here is, there are USDT options, but you have to tap on USDT TRC20. Now once you are back, and then basically if you go back here, then there is USDT TRC20. If you tap this one, then you will have your option. If you want to send, then all you have to do is to paste the address right here, add the amount, and then just proceed and follow the instructions. Also, if you want to receive, tap this form right here. Here's your address. If you want to deposit it from exchange, just click this one and it will take you directly to your Binance and just follow the instructions. You can also tap on swap. You can swap here using your TRC20, the amount from, and then two. Now you can also buy, so you can buy a USDT here, buy crypto, then you have your USDT and you can choose your payment method, and then also sales. So basically this is how easy it is to add USDT TRC20 to Trust Wallet, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.